The 5-piece FastCap ProCarpenter Tape Measure set takes your basic tape measure and improves it, filling a gap or solving a problem left unaddressed by other tools in the market. All of these handy tape measures have standard features that their competitors usually don't, such as a handy built-in pencil sharpener, dual locking mechanisms at the thumb lever and at the foot, and an erasable notepad on the face of each tool. These features are great, but they're just perks. The real draw is the specialty functions. The standard metric scale 16-foot tape includes standard inches marked on one edge of the tape, and the opposite edge is in metric units. These are a perfect fit if you usually use an imperial scale, but occasionally need to switch to metric. For example, building Euro-style 32mm cabinets. The righty-lefty 16-foot tape measure has imperial scales opposing each other on both edges of the blade. Whether left-handed or right-handed, you won't need to read upside down to take an accurate measurement. The easy half or half scale 16-foot tape measure has a standard imperial scale on one edge and a half scale on the other. Find the center of anything by measuring the workpiece using the standard scale, and then mark that position using the half scale side. Voila, dead center. The flat-back story pole 16-foot tape has an imperial scale on one edge, while the other edge has a blank erasable area. This allows you to keep track of dimensions and lay out duplicate parts without using numbers at all. The square one, or hypotenuse tape, is 25 feet long for use on larger pieces. This tape has a standard imperial scale on one edge of the blade, but the other side has the corresponding hypotenuse for your particular measurement. A great feature for checking square on your project. All you need to do is measure and mark 2 equal distances on 2 perpendicular sides of your project. Then, using the hypotenuse of the scale, measure from mark to mark across the angle. If the hypotenuse matches up to the standard measurement, your angle is square. Sold separately or as a money-saving package of 5, the line of FastCap ProCarpenter Tape Measures will cover all your measuring needs.